Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a freestyle set. Now I'm not really sure what I'm going to be doing. I already have the tips on my nails and stuff. I have a gel top coat underneath just so I can take them on after, but I am going to be using fruit slices, and I'm also going to be using the Mia Secret clear acrylic and the cover rose. So I'm doing like a reverse ombre just so the background of like my nail bed does not show. And also I'm getting a new brush and it comes in 4 days, I believe. Now I ordered it from Alpha Brush because I've heard such great reviews on it. And also, sorry if you hear any background noises. When I move in a month or two, it depends how long it takes. I really want to get a shed, but that might take a couple extra months just to get. And also, don't mind the shaping. I was going for coffin, but I feel like some of them are more ballerina. And I'll be back when I finish. Now I finished. They're looking really rough. Some people are just really good, but I haven't gotten there yet. So right now I'm gonna go put the fruit on, and I'll do a time lapse of that, I guess. I might file this one because she's just looking extra rough. So here's how they are looking right now. Trust the process. I was gonna put some purple here, but I won't fit it, so that's okay. I keep seeing these like type of nails where the fruit and glitter, and I love them. They look so pretty, and I just love colorful nails, and they definitely are an eye catcher. Now if you just like this, you could just clear cap it and file and stuff, and maybe fix the cuticle area, but you'll probably be better. But here they are right now. I love how they look. Now I'm just gonna do another time lapse of putting the fruit on. Now this only took like 20 minutes to do. I was just really in the zone. So yeah. So here they are now. As you can see, there's like a blue, lemon, a lime, and then lemon, and then an orange. And then there's just the strawberry. I kind of wish I did my thumb, but I'm kind of too lazy to do that now. But I love how they're looking right now. It's just the strawberry's kind of like, But these three. So I'm just going to clear cap it off camera, and then I'll be back. Also, hopefully when I move I could get a different setup and everything will look better. So can we just admire this glitter? It's so pretty. So I have the clear acrylic laid. It's really messy, so I'm gonna go ahead and file it off camera as well, and I'll be back and then we'll top coat it. Now don't mind this finger, it's really dry and it's like peeling, so she looks really ugly right now, but I'm gonna be putting bling right in the cuticle area. So how I like to put my bling on is I like to get the brush and then place your gem glue wherever you're gonna put the crystal, And I just bought these crystals off of Amazon for really cheap. I'm gonna actually just, sorry. And then I put my top coat over it. I know some people like to put the gem glue, cure it, and then the top coat, but I know sometimes it gets on the crystals. And these aren't Swarovski crystals. Oh my god, I totally forgot to put my top coat on. By the way, I have literally goldfish memory. I have the worst memory on this planet. And this gem glue, I don't know what brand it is because it's in a different language. But it looks like this. You could just get it on Amazon. And so you're gonna just put your top coat. I'm gonna be doing videos on TikTok, so I'll come back when it's top coated. I just showed putting the top coat on the tips in the video, but I actually like to go lightly over the gem glue. Sorry, I'm not on camera. I like to go lightly over, just not too over, so you're not like getting rid of it. I just love this method a lot more than putting it on after the top coat. Like the top coat after the gem glue, because I feel like if you get on the crystal it just looks weird, and this gives like a pretty much of a seamless like look. Also, sorry if you hear the wind and stuff. I have 2 fans going. Now I'm running out of this top coat because I used it so much. Look how pretty this is. I gotta clean up the sides. It's so difficult, like, trying to do it this way. Having my hand out instead of, like, close to me. I know these are kind of different shapes. We're just gonna ignore that. Oh, my fingers look so crusty. Just wait till the cuticle oil, guys. Then even to get that more seamless look. Sorry if you hear my sister, she's playing with my dog. So sorry guys, I'm not in film. I like to just go like that. Should have probably put them on. Ew, my hands look so crusty. Got it. Okay. So I think I'm happy with that. I'm gonna go pop it in my lamp. So I'm just gonna cleanse these, practicing the design right now. So the shape is not perfect, as you can see. Like some of them are different shapes. Some is more of a coffin, and like this one's more of a skinny ballerina, and some are a little thicker. And so now let's pop some cuticle oil. Now for my middle finger, I'm gonna go ahead and put this Sally Hansen cuticle rehab, because I don't know why, just right there is really dry. It's always been dry for me. So I'm just gonna pop some. And you can see right there, I actually did nick myself a little bit. If my camera would focus, you can't really see it, but I got a little nick. But I'm trying out this new nail drill, that nail like drill bit, because it's so much more powerful and it gets the job done so much faster. So I'm trying to like learn. Well, it's pretty easy to get down, but I'm just still getting used to it, and sometimes drill bits can be scary, so just taking it on this low side. I low-key wish I did my thumb so I could have purple in it, but it's fine. And then I like to go in with the alcohol bit again and just take the nail. Here's the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love how they came out. They look really beautiful in my opinion. So let me know down below what you think. Make sure to go like this video and subscribe if you really love this and want to join me on my nail journey. And make sure to go follow my TikTok and Instagram. They're both at ag_nails. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video.